My programming skills really never went beyond basic in the 1980s. If I want to improve myself, I'm going to need some help. There's a lot of clever folk in the FreeBSD community. They can sit at a keyboard and bash out loads of code to do miraculous things. But for me, a lot of this looks like, gibberish to me. But the thing is, I can kind of do some bash script, very simple ones, and sometimes I make a mistake. So, in this video, we'll be looking at ShellCheck. Now, ShellCheck is a wonderful little tool. It will help, I say novices like me, which I am. It'll help novices like me produce working scripts that actually work. So I'm not spending off my time just debugging it. So first we look for ShellCheck itself, and as you can see, it's there. It's pkg install hs-shellcheck. And there we go. And it's really easy to install in FreeBSD, of course. And I'm doing this on my Raspberry Pi 400, so I'm using pre-compiled binaries. And this is a small example of what we're going to do. I'm in a folder with a simple script in it. And when I say a simple script, it really is. We'll have a look at it now. There we go. And it produces hello. Not a hello world, because I'm not at that level yet. So if we had a look at the actual script, it's about as simple as you can get, with a clear and some echo commands. And there's the path at the top. So if we run ShellCheck on this very basic script, and of course everything will work, so I don't anticipate that it will produce any errors. There we go. No, there's no errors, of course. If we go back into the script and we'll make a deliberate mistake, say for instance we get the crunch bang, or the shebang, if you want to call it that, the other way around. There we go. Just save that, and of course it won't run. I know it won't run, but if we do a ShellCheck on it again, it will tell us that there's a mistake in line 1. It says use hash exclamation mark not exclamation mark hash for the shebang. On this particular background, it's really not easy to see the red information line. So there is a switch we can use, which will strip away the color. So if you do double hyphen color equals never, it's American spelling of color, so beware of that. And it produces the same error code, of course, but now in just plain white, which it can be easy to read. It depends. So if we go back into the script and we, introduce a different error, double exclamation marks, and we ShellCheck again, and it's a different error. It says ensure the shebang uses an absolute path in the interpreter, because it obviously can't find it. And we'll just change that back to how it should be. There's lots of options we can use, and if we have a look at the man pages, it will list every option you can use. But there we go. It's very comprehensive. There's lots of options we can use, lots of switches. Have a play around with it and see if it can improve your coding life. Well, your shell coding life. And we'll look at the version, and it's 0.80, and it's GNU License 3. Or GPL 3. Yeah, very useful little tool. Anyway, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, if you found it useful in any way whatsoever, then please consider subscribing. Hit that like button. It helps with the algorithm, it really does. And I will catch you next time.